Amid raging debate on deteriorating environmental pollution in the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday launched National Air Quality Index in 10 cities. In the wake of increasing air pollution levels, Air Quality Index is being looked up as a step taken in the right direction, perhaps at the right time. For India, pollution-related issues and challenges are huge. In 2014, a WHO report pointed out that Indian cities were increasingly becoming death traps because of high air pollution levels. Another report on pollution showed that every third child in Delhi had reduced lung function due to air pollution. According to the 2014 Global Burden of Disease report, air pollution is the fifth largest killer in India. Delhi has earned the dubious distinction of being the most polluted capital city in the world, overtaking Beijing in the process. The pollution menace has very serious health hazards. According to a report, Delhi residents develop smoker's lung by the age of 35 without ever having smoked because of the city's alarmingly high pollution levels. It also increases their chances of serious lung illness. The Air Quality Index will help in building public awareness and protecting public health. It will be used to inform people about daily air quality and to provide advisories on health consequences. Air Quality Index will be with simple descriptions that people can easily understand. It will focus on 8 major air pollutants and monitor their levels in the cities. They are PM10, PM2.5, NO2, SO2, CO, O3, NH3, PB. The Air Quality Index is an internationally accepted norm used by government agencies to communicate to public how polluted the air currently is or how polluted it is forecast to become. The colors of the index vary from green to red as the level of pollution increases, with green signifying least pollution while red raising concerns of high pollution levels. As a responsible citizen, we need to know what steps can we take to combat the menace of air pollution. Perhaps the use of mass rapid transport system like the metro will reduce vehicular population. Use of cleaner auto fuel like CNG will also reduce the pollution level caused by vehicular emissions. Only with a collective effort combined with an earnest will can we achieve the target of making our cities cleaner, greener and safer for our future generations. DD News.